Hey there, and welcome back to AB Coasting. If you're here, you're probably curious about how to make money on OnlyFans. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or turn it into a full-time career, this video is packed with tips and strategies to help you succeed. So stick around, this could be your next big break. First things first, what exactly is OnlyFans? It's a platform where creators can share exclusive content with their subscribers who pay a monthly fee. While it's popularly known for adult content, it's also home to fitness coaches, chefs, musicians, and more. The key is providing value to your audience, whatever your niche may be. Now, let's break down the steps to start making money on OnlyFans. Think about what makes you unique. Are you a fitness guru, a talented artist, or maybe you want to explore adult content? Your niche will help you attract the right audience. Invest in good lighting, a decent camera, and editing tools. The better your content looks, the more likely people are to subscribe. Start with a price that's affordable, but reflect the value of your content. You can always adjust it as you grow. Use social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok to drive traffic to your OnlyFans. Just remember to follow the rules of each platform to avoid getting banned. Reply to messages, offer exclusive perks, and make your audience feel valued. Happy subscribers are more likely to stick around and even tip extra. Here are some advanced tips to maximize your income on OnlyFans. Offer pay-per-view content. Charge extra for special videos or photos. Collaborate with other creators. This can help you reach new audiences. Run promotions. Discounts or free trials can attract new subscribers. Now, if you're someone who's thinking bigger and wants full control over your content and revenue, starting your own adult content site might be the way to go. This is where QloudHost comes in. QloudHost offers specialized adult hosting plans with a DMCA Ignored Hosting feature. This means you can host your content with more freedom and privacy without worrying about unnecessary takedowns. They're reliable, secure, and perfect for creators who want to take their business to the next level. You'll find the link to QloudHost in the description below. Check it out. That's it for today's video. Whether you're sticking with OnlyFans or branching out to your own platform, the opportunities to make money online are endless if you're willing to put in the work. Don't forget to like this video, share it with friends who might find it helpful, and subscribe to ABC Hosting for more tips and insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and good luck on your journey to success.